Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I flat ironed my hair and gave myself some voluminous bombshell curls. Really easy, relaxed. It literally takes maybe like 10 minutes. I'm going to show you guys how I got it with my Duvolle flat irons. If you guys want to see this video, then keep watching. I mentioned my flat irons in my last video. I used them. I showed you guys how they work. But today I'm going to use them to give myself some curls because I'm tired of my hair just being like flat and boring. Like I said in my last video, Duvolle was kind enough to send me a pair of flat irons, and my favorite thing about them is that they are pink. They are ceramic plate flat irons with professional temperature settings. So you have the option of setting them up to 450 degrees, which is what I need on my textured hair. So I'm going to leave all of the information for the flat irons down below in the description box, along with the coupon code. That way you can shop the flat irons if you want to with a percentage off. So let's go ahead and put these flat irons to the test to see what kind of curls they make. So the only section that I'm leaving out is the back left side because that's the section we're gonna work on first. And hopefully these are a smooth pass because sometimes flat irons kind of inch when you curl and it leaves the lines in your hair, so we don't want that. So that is the first thing I'm gonna look for to make sure the flat irons aren't inching, and it don't look like it. I'm going to show y'all so y'all can see what I mean. It goes smooth down. So when I want loose curls, I curl my hair that way. When I want it to look effortless, which is the type of curls I do want today. But when I want a tighter curl, I bend it all the way around. I bring all of the hair around, inch it down a little, and just continue to do that all the way down. Bend it, bring the hair down, bend it, and this is going to give you a tighter curl. But that's not the type of curls that I want today. I'm gonna bring my curl up and forward. And I'm only doing that with the first few, like in my in the area of my hair that I want to come forward. So I'm not going to touch any of this hair on this side. I'm going to let it cool down and work on this side. So I'm using my ghetto toothbrush again and my Eco Gel. So I don't use a lot of gel because y'all know my hair will curl up. But and then I'm going to take my scarf, making sure I keep my hair back versus bringing it forward, and I push it back a little bit and then tie this around. So it's been about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take my scarf off now. And I'm gonna take my comb and just bring my hair to the front. And I'm gonna tuck this behind my ear. And for that front hair, I'm just teasing it down a little bit underneath. And you could leave it like this, and if you comb it, it's gonna give you one big curl. So you could do like really neat hair like this. But me personally, I always flip my hair over. And then bring her back so that my hair looks a little bit more fuller and relaxed. So this is what I like, both, honestly. I'm not gonna say I prefer one or the other. I like both, but this is what I was going for in the video today. So yeah, I feel like those flat irons did her thing. If I had my hairspray, I would spray. Let's pretend I have it. I don't feel like going to get it, but y'all get the point. She's doing her thing. So yeah, I like it. This is the end. This is all I wanted to show you. I have no more tricks in my bag. Alright, so we are at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this type of content, hair, beauty, makeup, all of those types of things, let me know in my comment section below. Like I said in my last video, anytime I post content like that, it is not high engagement. So if you want to see it and you like it, comment down below and let me know, or thumbs up this video. That way that I know that you loved it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.